Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel CS and IT Tutorials by Vrishali. In today's session, I will give you a complete AICTE Government Internship Portal overview, like how to search for internship, multiple available free internship with paid and unpaid. They are giving certificate with letter of recommendation and also how to apply successfully. Do you know internship gain real world industry experience? By doing internship, you can develop technical skill, soft skill, and also a communication skill. After completing internship, you will get earn certificate and also a valuable experience. You can mention this certificate in your resume and make your resume stronger. And stronger resume always increase the opportunity of placement, right? And basically, by doing internship, you can build confidence through hands-on project and also identify strengths and areas of improvement. So I am suggesting you in throughout your engineering journey, you must do internship, gain real world practical experience. So let's see. Now just go to official website of AICTE, that is internshipAICTEindia.org. So as we know, AICTE is All India Council for Technical Education. It is a government body that supports technical education and provide various internship or job opportunity for students across the India. See, multiple companies have already listed here like EduSkill, Intershala, then internship by Cisco, Whitehead Junior Internship, internship by Google, Salesforce. So these all companies provided paid, unpaid internship to students. Now you can log in here. So first we will check all the recently posted internship. So just click here, recently posted internship. Okay, now see. So there are multiple internship that was recently posted in this month. See, the first one is web development internship by Soft Nexus Technology. So number of openings are 3. You can apply it by 24th July. And this is an unpaid internship. Again, Python AML data science internship. Number of opening is only 1 here. But see, sometimes number of openings may be limited and competition can be high, right? But don't let that stop you. Apply anyway. See, this is a AML internship by Maincraft. Number of openings are 4. This is an unpaid internship. So again, we will check first paid internship, right? We all are interested in paid internship. So just apply the filter here like virtual internship and paid internship option. See, the first one, social media marketing internship by EduTech Limited. Total number of openings are 10. This is a 2-month internship, but 15,000 per month stipend is there. And this is a good one, right? See, just click on view details. So anyone can apply any specialization. Available duration is 2 months. See, the first one about internship, about the program and what you will get. You will get 15,000 based on performance, government recognized certificate, then internship completion certificate recognized by AICTE, ISO. Then also you will get letter of recommendation. You will get hands-on experience of real world marketing project. And this is the best for you, right? So use every internship as an opportunity to learn, to grow your network. So just click on apply now button and they will send you a mail regarding this. So the next one, okay, wait a minute. Just check some part-time and virtual internship. Okay. Now the next one, see, AML data science internship, 2000 rupees per month stipend is there. Last date to apply 24 July. And next one, see, this is the best one, like Python full stack development internship. Total 3 month. This is a complete online virtual internship and 5000 rupees per month stipend is there. And number of opening is also 5000 and apply by 31st December 2026. If you are selected, you will get the mail regarding this. So this is the best one. What you will get? You will get AICTE recognized internship experience, hands-on practical learning, right? Internship completion certificate. Then also innovation and problem solving exposure. So this is the best one for you. See, So one application can change your career, right? So don't hesitate, just apply. Now the next one, again, just check here, virtual and paid internship. See, so this is a Python full stack development internship. Now next one is artificial intelligence and data analysis Gen AI internship by Soft Nexus Technology, 2000 rupees per month, and number of openings are 2 here. So some internship have fewer opening and many applicants, but if you don't apply, your chance are 0. So definitely give a try, right? Now the next one, cyber security intern. See, this is again one of the best internship. 5000 rupees per month stipend. This is a 2-month internship, completely online, and last date to apply 25 July, and number of openings are 40. So just click on view details. See, this is again a best one. So just click on apply button, right? Now again, there are sales and marketing internship. This is a full-time internship at Hyderabad. Okay. So some internship are offline, some are the online. So I'm suggesting you should prefer a virtual internship. So you will get the time to hands-on experience, right? See. So this is the virtual and paid internship. So cybersecurity intern, sales intern, then a coding instructor, again a marketing intern. So some websites are some like a technical, non-technical included here. So this is again Python full stack developer internship. Then see, this is a Java full stack development. If you are interested in Java, you can definitely apply here. 5000 rupees per month stipend is there. So this is the best one, right? Then there are some unpaid internship as well. You can check here. See, like Gen AI website development internship. Then cloud computing and DevOps internship. See, this is a unpaid. Number of openings are 2. But just apply here, right? Confidence start with clicking apply button. You will get the good opportunity here. So if you are in electronics background, so you will do this VLSI designing, embedded system, Internet of Things internship. So total number of openings are 4, and this is a completely 6-week internship. So you will get the internship AICTE recognized certificate. You should mention this certificate in your particular resume, right? See, this is a C++ programming internship. So any student can apply here, right? Okay. Just check more paid internship because we all are interested here, right? See. So sales intern, medical coding instructor. So this is the best for you, right? So I'm suggesting you keep your resume ready, updated before applying. Read the internship description carefully before submitting your application, right? And take you every internship as an opportunity. So this is all about. So just apply here, right? So this is all about. Thank you. All the best. Please share my channel with your friends and subscribe it. That will be beneficial for everyone. Thank you.